33. The reader can conclude that when Hillerich first asked his father to make wood bats, Hillerich's father, A, planned to change his business to make only wood bats, B, believed that metal bats would sell better than wood bats, C, wanted to sell his company rather than make wood bats, or D, thought his company would not benefit from making wood bats. 34. In paragraph 6, the details about Ted Williams' experience with Louisville Slugger bats support the idea that F, professional athletes can notice slight differences in equipment, G, Louisville Sluggers are not the best bats available to professional baseball players, H, negative comments about a product can harm a company's business, or J, Louisville Sluggers are better designed today than when they were first made. 35. Which sentence best states the main idea of the section titled Old and New? A, they were made with any kind of wood that was available. B, the shape of today's baseball bats is also more regular, narrow at the handle and wide at the end. C, bats come in different lengths and weights. C, bats come in different lengths and weights. Or D, baseball bats have changed a great deal over the years. 36. What is the meaning of accustomed in paragraph 7? F, managed by, G, different from, H, changed by, or J, in the habit of. 37. The reader can infer that one of the main reasons the production of Louisville Sluggers began was because of Hillerich's A, willingness to use his knowledge of wood making to help someone, B, understanding of the game of baseball, C, ability to promote a product using a variety of advertising, or D, experience playing baseball with a metal bat. 38. Based on information in the selection, what is one similarity between Pete Browning and Hongus Wagner? F, their success encouraged other players to use Louisville Sluggers. G, they both ordered a wood bat that was not made correctly. H, their friendship with Hillerich helped improve their batting skills. Or J, they both persuaded Hillerich's father to make Louisville Sluggers. Please make sure that you have put your name on this paper and make sure that you have used all of your strategies.